To my people doing time, exhibit, juvenile, y'all need to wake up, everybody. Nature, gyro, reptile, come on,
look, I made you made, living in this house of pain. Stuck with 1,000 street hustlers down on they luck. Repeat felons, caught it with the death I was selling. And for the past 3 months, yo, I can still hear my victims yelling. But I can't listen to my conscience, it's nonsense. If I didn't shoot, I'd be the nigga in the suit, in the box under the ground. Fox chased by the hound, lock permanent frown. Exhibit get down by lifting iron by the pound for the tough individual. Run his mouth, throw some hands with the general. Walk one day in the shoes of a criminal. Death, disease, keep your luxuries to a minimal. I'm not talking about weed, jewels, and Bentleys. I'm talking about clean clothes, hot food, and dentine. See what I mean? Living with the scum of the earth. Hit with plenty of time to adjust to life on the inside.
For every rhyme I write, it's 25 to life.
You got me up, I'm innocent, like I ain't do this shit. You don't wanna hear my side, but you believe in that bitch. You making my nerves bad, I need to smoke me a Joe. Cause I know y'all ain't even thinking about letting me go. Where my lawyer, if you told me you I can't do nothing for ya. Yo, go tell it to my mother and my father. But they gon' cuss y'all, so don't you even bother. You know that this ain't right. That bitch didn't see nothing cause it was dark at night. But I guess us blacks look the same to y'all. Passing in this around like a game of ball. This is my 3rd felony, plus my 3rd strike. Man, I ain't going home, I got 25 to
For
life.
every rhyme I write, it's 25 to life.
Kill you, New York. You try to criticize me, I criticize you. Been the same motherfucker since in high school. Any beat I shed light to with crazy wattage. Blanking out, bought my first 8-ball for $80. Learned who not to trust. Grew obnoxious, so then they start to hate me. Same time the boys in blue watches. Circling, but they don't slow down. Take you to court, think you seeing Judge Joe Brown. They just acting. Index throwing Tyson back in another year. Often with an instant career, I cock back at, bust in the air. Give me space, beats with plenty bass. Drink my Hennessy straight, so I earl out. 3rd world cloud, I'll take English hearts and turn killers into Girl Scouts. Works of art, Picasso's from the hydro roller / hustler, CEO / retired
For every
soldier.
rhyme I write, it's 25 to life.
Killer be killed behind the wall, 40 days short. Still the thought, a murderer, true to the sport. I bang with the best and hit this career criminals. Now I'm in with these youngins, looking to fill me out. Hollin' bout, how they gon' hit on me now? And this is real wild, bang 'em before trial. New case, new trial, I don't give a fuck. I'm playing the yard, ox tape to my nuts. Ready to self-destruct, Lord, I don't wanna die. Who would bow with your honor to hit me with 25? I know the real recognize every hustle and die with them in the struggle. You feel me?
Oh God, shells loaded in the semi-auto quoted. Unknown cat, never voted. Picture me on the scene, hunting for greens like Mike Myers, trick-or-treating on Halloween. Masked down in fatigue, serving the fiends. Killer be killed, metal pipes under the sleeves. In the city slicker, bust techs above sets, roughneck. Love liquor and act figures. Blood sport on the streets, no gloves. Pulling knives out the fridge, handing out cold cuts. Streets real thug, so recognize thug. Close your eyes, thug. You bout to die, thug. Call the president, I'm blowing up your residence. Spill acid on the corpse to clear the evidence. Protesters outside screaming free Gotti. Guard your body. SWAT teams is waiting with the shot.
Every rhyme I write, it's 25 to life.
Y'all need to wake up, everybody.
For every